Back to my daily worksheet. I happen to have here Francis, this mare, which was already bred through the breeding log, confirmed ovulation, and instead of flush, we said that she would be carrying her own baby. And therefore, after confirming that, in the rescheduling comments, we put preg check. I know that she's doing that because it's my method, and every time I do a preg check for a carry, I put a preg check here. Again, I could go to the breeding log if I desire, and from the breeding log, do a preg check from there. But since I already scheduled her for a new palpation and see if everything is fine, I'm going to open the summary card by double clicking, which gives me a pretty good story here in the mare record. I see the day when she was bred, the stallion, and the day that we confirmed the ovulation. I also see in the current status that she's pending. It is pending the confirmation for the preg check. I can enter my data here, but before I'm going to say that she is that's not enough. It's only a mare record notation. Again, in WISE option, important is to keep up and maintain the logs. So I'm going to the breeding record, breeding log for that mare. Francis is already there waiting. It says that it's pending, so ovulation was confirmed. I see a date for ovulation here. She's pending, and all I've got to do at this point here to confirm the pregnancy is to highlight, go down here to the bottom. If she was open, I would mark her as open, so you know there's no pregnancy, but in this case I'm going to say that she's pregnant. Confirm the pregnancy, today's date, it's a 15 days post-OV. I can change that comment if I want to, and now the log was entered to the pregnancy log. I can reschedule her for 20-day heartbeat, which I will do this time. It has already put in 14 days ahead, and I'm going to say okay. And for my case, heartbeat, I just put the @ sign. It's a symbol for me that I'm looking for a heartbeat. If I refresh this list, it's no longer pending. The mare shows already the info, and the 10/7/2020, it's my due date. If I go back to the summary card, it's still showing as pending because of I was doing on another tab. But if I click on the refresh button right here, the status update right on screen here, and she's in full and she's waiting for that. So my pregnant note is sitting here. I confirm that. Do you want to reschedule? I don't need to do that because already during the confirmation process I already put her there. I'm going to say no, but the process for Francis is now complete, and the preg check is complete, and now I have a mare info and just waiting for a heartbeat confirmation. So today you've learned how to confirm pregnancies for mares post-OV that will carry the baby. Thanks for watching.